Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. Well, I'm sitting in a 2007 Toyota Solara with a V6 engine. And we have a check engine light, track off, and VSC. So I'm going to scan it. I'm going to tell you it's probably the firewall air-fuel ratio sensor is bad. But we're going to see what the scanner says. Well, look at that. I was a little off. P0174. System 2 lane bank 2. And our C1201. So let's go pop the hood and see if we have some more rodent activity. It's a possibility. Might have a vacuum hose off, or somebody's been chewing in this cold weather, nervously and anxiously trying to stay warm.